single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi, this is Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long, but anyway, I'm here. We're doing just a little bit of Wingstop. Might not do a very long video, but still. We have, of course, my garlic parmesans in here. I have some veggie sticks, and I have some fries right here. I have some mango habanero boneless here. These are bone-in. Then I have a couple of garlic parmesan in there, and I think I have a barbecue one in there. I don't know. But anyway, I have to take a thumbnail because I don't know how. I have a new phone, everybody. That's why. And I don't know how to do the picture thing, like, whatever. But anyway, let me see. Hope that's good. But anyway. My ranch. Oh, and then we have a double brownie thingy. So, this is my ranch, of course. My tub of ranch. I'm gonna go this way, like this, so that I can put this here, and we can eat. Oh, and oh, this is my, I'm using a cup, a mug, because I want y'all to see what I am making my little businesses doing. That's my whole family, my sister, my twin brothers, my brother, my parents that have passed on, two of my sisters, my other brother, my sister Norma, and I. And this is Familia Cardenas with the Mexico flag and the United States flag. I don't want to drink on here, that way y'all can see what I'm just going to drink the sparkle ice lemonade. Y'all let me know how the lighting is. I got a new phone because mine was already. So I have an iPhone, not a new one, not the what's out. This is just an XR, I think. So whatever's out, no, I don't have that. But anyway, we have to start with my garlic parmesan because that's my favorite. That's my favorite. And y'all know I have to dip it. Y'all know that. And I double dip because it's mine. Here we go. I hope I don't get all dirty because I'm wearing black. Here we go. Provecho. It's still the same. It is delicious. Oh, I'm going to dip it again. I'm going to tell you what I've been doing. I've been working, of course, regular job. My business is doing okay. I'm still trying to get out there. But now, then, aside from all that, I got my Diva unboxing too. Oh, I'm extremely busy. Going to work, dropping them off at gym, because they changed gyms also. So, let me know what y'all been. Oh, I have a roll too. Let me y'all. A piece of chicken. Let me know what y'all been doing. What y'all been up to. This is mango habanero. This sucker's going on in my mouth. I'm gonna try it. No, I'm gonna bite it. Let me see. Mm. Now, I'm gonna say I'm back. I did say I was back, but I don't know how often I'm gonna film because of everything I have going on. Oh, I will continue to film. I don't want to leave YouTube. I love it. It's just been so hectic. I have thought about just you know doing ASMR at night when I'm alone in my room, but I'm not alone. Yeah, I know my niece Iris. She's staying here with me. She sleeps in my room, so if I do ASMRs, y'all will hear her snoring. Believe me. Y'all will hear her snoring. It's not a pretty sound. I'm just saying. Let me know what y'all are up to. What y'all been up to. Y'all miss me? Listen. My diva's enjoying her boxing. My son is enjoying having her. Like, he really wanted her to get in it. Home. Fries. These are Parmesan fries, but they hardly put any fries in Parmesan in there. If the video looks a little crooked, sorry. So I make these, like I said, I custom make, I'm sorry, whatever you want on there. My son got plain, I don't know, this one I think is I want to say this one's a lemon pepper. I have to do this because I don't want to get all dirty. I miss y'all. I miss everybody. I miss going live. I miss all my mods, all my subbies. I miss y'all. I was really thinking about quitting. I have so much going on, but I can't. I don't, my channel's not big, but I still enjoy y'all very much. gonna put it over here. So let me know what y'all are doing, what y'all are up to. What y'all did for Christmas. New Year's resolutions. I don't have any. I never do them because I always break them. So why do them? This my habanero is so freaking good. Do y'all get the tub too, like me? I don't know how y'all states are with all this pandemic stuff. Just to know. Diva had gotten Hawaiian barbecue, I think. That's it. The mango habanero me picó. I will put more videos up. I need to figure out a schedule first. Oh man. I just try to do 2 for now. Until I'm able to figure out what I want to do. I mean, like, my schedule and filming. Because honestly, with my kids, both being in boxing, I go drop them off. I was coming back home, and it's far. But with traffic at 410, it was bad. I was getting home, and I was needing to turn around and go get them. So I think I'm just gonna be staying there. I have this past couple of days. And I did short them because I think I'm wasting more in gas going and coming than going and coming. Now let me know if y'all want me to stick to this or regular video or just do it tomorrow. I told my diva said, I'm gonna join boxing. I was like, bad enough. I'm already over here having a hard time with my son's in it. Now my daughter. I think this might be the plain one. Oh, wait. No, this one is. Not my daughter, so. I'll see how that goes. She's enjoying it though. But hers is very basic so far. But I like my son, when he started, he has been training himself for almost a year already. And I think he went to the gym. So let's see what happens. Like I said, I can't quit because I love y'all. And the rolls are hard this time. And I miss it. I do miss it. I'm not gonna lie. I do miss YouTube. Oh. I miss everybody. I hope y'all miss me. I'm pretty sure nobody can miss me. When the video drops, they're gonna be like, Claudia, Claudia who? Me? I'm also doing, I also do shirts. And I also do self-defeating keychains, mouth packs, coasters, koozies. I got a new printer that can do white now, and we can do in cotton now. So I don't only sublimate. I do regular too. Only thing is, until I'm more delicate, like there's washing instructions for it. Where's the big one? That's what she said. Home. My niece Harris has been here with me since. I want to say Christmas. She's trying to save up for her own place. She's working 2 jobs trying to get that done. Oh, that's good. Are you? When you forget to turn off the notification and the YouTube notification comes in somebody else's video. I got it on my shirt, but I'm wearing it like a another shirt under because this one is off the shoulders tank top style. So I don't like to show my stomach, my like my stomach. I'm gonna put a cami. I'm gonna the cami one, not the other one. Now that I'm gonna try to do my video, let me know what y'all want to see. What y'all want to see me do again, or if y'all want something new, I don't know. Got all the flats. Is it flats? That's what they're called. Oh, excuse me. Oh well. That's a sign that the tank is getting full. I freaking love. I tried not long ago. What is it called? The wing jelly. It was good, but it wasn't Wingstop. I don't know if y'all have that. Oh yeah, beautiful. Sound like a rata. I'm getting full, so before I go, let me try the brownie. No, yeah, I can see the brownie. I'm making a piece that I can share with my babies. It's like so moist. Wow. So moist. And I always see them there, but no ramen. Excuse me. You hear my inner fat girl trying to come out? I don't know about y'all, but I like doing this. Like, eating something salty. brownie. Something sweet. This is how I am. I love doing that. Anyway. If you like what you see, please share my videos. Comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I go live or upload a video. And I promise I'll be coming back. Until next time, this is Claudia C. I miss y'all so much and I love y'all so much. Thank you. Bye.